What's up, guys? It's Haley PS, and today I'm going to teach you how to get Instagram followers fast. This method is tried and true by yours truly, and I'm going to go over some of the methods that I followed to get my account going from 0 to nearly 4,000 within just 2 months. My first tip is to get genuine and intimate with other followers on Instagram. That means if you're operating a page for a brand, you might want to post yourself every once in a while so the viewers can get to know you. Let's check out my professional dashboard and see how many followers I've gotten since I started this page on December 8th of 2020. I am up 77,000%. 3,903 followers. That is insane. Alright, so let's go over some of the tactics I used to grow that big. Really quick, I'm going to show you my personal Instagram page. I actually started using some of these methods to grow my own personal account, and as you can see by the bar graph and percentage here, this past month, just experimenting with my methods that I was planning on sharing with you all, I was able to absolutely explode on Instagram, and I'm so excited that I'm finally able to share with you guys all of the little things that I've done. Alright, so Instagram has really improved its stories features lately, especially in this last update. So I'm going to post a story really quick. And just so you guys are aware, you guys can use tags as well to increase the amount of viewers. But once you get a good following, stories are a great way to improve interaction and engagement, and in turn get promoted by Instagram's algorithm to other users who may want to check out your page. In my personal experience, having a story posted every 24 hours is a great way to improve engagement, but it's also a great way to get followers. So people are more likely to follow your page and see that you're active if you're actively posting stories. You don't want to follow a stagnant page that isn't participating in using Instagram's features. Alright, so my third tip is this: true, genuine engagement. That means with your current followers, that means with pages that you're suggested to, stories, posts. You need to like, but I will throw in a disclaimer because I've gotten a temporary ban for this. Don't like too many pages within an hour at a time. Yes, Instagram is crazy about not wanting you to have bot-like results, so just take it easy, but still take the time out to make comments and interact with your followers to improve your own engagement, and make sure that your followers, feel comfortable enough with you that they don't want to unfollow your page. That really is an issue on Instagram, is unfollows. Once you start following enough pages, Instagram is going to become comfortable enough to start suggesting similar pages to you based on who your followers follow and the different things that you're interested in liking and commenting on Instagram. This is a great way to grow your audience and reach more people. A lot of people really follow you back. They might say, oh, look who's followed me. Go to your page and see that you have really cool things to offer and follow you back. My next tip is this: post frequently. I already told you to post your stories frequently, but I need you to post regular posts at least 3 times a week until the algorithm can start seeing that you're something that people want to see and interact with. So to start you off and reach your 1,000 follower goal, if that's what it is, within a month's time frame, I want you to post and use keyword hashtags I want to say every other day to begin with. A great tool for that is VDIQ. Even though it's used for YouTube, you can still use the keyword feature to see what's trending, and typically what's trending on YouTube is trending on Instagram, so that's a great tool to optimize your posts, to use the best hashtags, and be what's trending and reach more people. Alright, you guys, that's all the tips that I have for today. If you stuck around this long, good on you. Thank you. I really appreciate all the views and love and comments and shares that I get. It really makes my day, and I do it for you guys because I want to see you succeed just like I have. So, I hope that you take these tips and apply them to your page, and let me know in the comments below what your success was like. Thank you.